Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Halloween look. I've never done like a full face paint anything. Actually, I did a Halloween video with my little sister a couple years back, but that was just kind of like messing around and I wasn't taking it super seriously. But I'm going to be attempting to create a skeleton face. These are like my pictures that I looked at, and I'm going to continue to look at throughout this video to get inspiration from and kind of like how to do it. I haven't really planned out many videos for this month, but I feel like there's gonna be a lot of makeup looks and costume stuff on the way. But yeah, I don't know if this is gonna be a tutorial or just a funny video watching me fail, but let's get started. Woo. Tell me you're not scared of me. This is the final look. I'm so surprised I actually completed it, and like far away, if like I squint my eyes, like I actually look like a skeleton. This would be like such a good costume because it's basically free. So positives, I didn't think it took that long and it actually turned out good. Some negatives, the face paint went all over the place, and it probably stained some stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna try to take some pictures with this and see how those turn out. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and happy Halloween. Bye.